Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to fix App Store cannot connect on Apple Watch Ultra. So actually first thing, you could also I will show you an example of my regular Apple Watch, not Ultra, but I will show to you like all how we could fix that. So first thing, we just need to check internet connection. So just try to check your internet connection. So just tap here on this button, on side button. After, you just need to tap on Wi-Fi and turn it on again. Also, if you use cellular data, just tap on this button and just reconnect to another network. So after, you could also just try to press this at the same time this button and this button. Just keep holding these two buttons until you will see Apple logo. So now you could release fingers from these two buttons. So it's just like force restart, so sometimes it also helps. After, you could try to check date if you set automatically that on iPhone. Sometimes it also helps too. And the latest option you could try also to update your watch OS. So I will also show it to you, like we just need to wait until it will successfully load our system, and I will show to you the last step. Or you could also just do it like on your side. So I will pause the video and we will continue when it will just load again. And also I want you to remember that I will add my link to description and to comments, like my app, so please download them and just tell your feedback, so I will be happy to hear that. Thanks for watching.